And now, it's time for some more amazing animals. Number 17, the amazing black caiman. Prepare yourself for South America's most scary alligator cousin.
Boring! Tell us something we don't know.
The black caiman is a large carnivorous reptile that can eat just about any living...
Ew! Do you mind not doing that?
What, me? Oh, no, I did nothing.
Right. The black caiman is one of the largest reptiles on the planet, sometimes reaching up to 16 feet in length and can weigh over 800 pounds.
Show him your teeth. Which ones?
With over 70 teeth designed to grab, but not to chew.
What?
Not to chew. Their near black-colored body renders them almost invisible underwater.
Ooh, he's giving away our secrets now.
What a cheek!
Mature black caimans do not have any predators except for humans, who have almost hunted them to extinction.
We'll see about that. Come here.
Well, that's all for now. The black caiman, you really are one amazing animal.